Hola, mis amores. You know when they say you can take the girl out of Mexico, but you cannot take Mexico out of the girl? Today I'm going to be drinking Humix. And water, but mostly mango and guayaba are the best type. I don't want to hear it. Mango and guayaba is where it is. Now, that being said, it's Sunday. I don't know about you guys, but Sundays, los domingos, it's my busy day. El domingo it's my super busy day. I meal prep for the week. I make sure my lunch is also prepared for Monday. I actually go to in-office work on Mondays. Mondays and Wednesdays, I iron my work clothes if I have to. I clean my house. I just do a whole bunch of things. And on top of everything a girl has to do to make sure she puts herself in a position of success, I also hydrate my hair and do my face mask. This Sunday, I'm going to do my honey face mask. It leaves my face super, super moist. Oh God, I hate these things because they always just seem to like go all the way back. So let's get started. My honey is almost done, but oh my God, I'm not sure if you can see, but there's still a little bit on the top and we're going to use it. Right now, the honey does have a little bit of texture. I'm not sure if you can see. But if we do it gently, it shouldn't cause any harm. And me, you know, I'm basically like everyone else. I love to go to Bath and Body Works, take a sniff at this candle, take a sniff at that candle, take a sniff at these candles. Oh my God, I feel I have a hair. Oh my God, do you see the hair? I decided to search for a Latino or Latina candle company. And turns out that there is. The candle company is called Amor y Flor. And I got 2 candles from Amor y Flor. The first candle that I'm burning right now is named Aztec Goddess. Dios Azteca in Spanish, for those of you who don't know. It smells so good, you guys. It's a very sexy smell. It's like a candle you turn on just before you want to, snuggle with your man or woman or just snuggle with your person. The primary smells in this candle are tuberose, I think it's pronounced, violet, and pear. Oh my God, you guys, it is so nice. And I got a second candle, which is cempasúchil. Cempasúchil is basically a marigold. The second candle I got, you guys, is dun dun dun, yes, cempasúchil. Or for those of you who don't know Spanish, marigold. First off, packaging. Do we love? It's simple, it's chic, it's sleek, it's elegant, and it's not in plastic. Second of all, I haven't burned it, but it reminds me, oh my God, you know those flower crowns that you put up in Mexico when it's Dia de los Muertos? It reminds me of a crown of marigolds, hence the name. It's a wonderful, wonderful smell. Oh my God, this is just so annoying. Don't you hate these things? I'm not sure, how do other girls put this on? Because me, it always just, oh, gross. Look at this, now it's a mess. Okay, whatever. Let's keep on putting on this on my face because I'm never going to finish. I just get distracted. So, careful with the eye area. Ooh, you get my mustache. Oh my God, do you see my mustache? I haven't taken care of my mustache in like over a year. Probably since COVID started. Do you want to know another experiment I'm doing? So I love pine trees. I love the way they smell. And I know I'm not going to live in an apartment forever. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to try to grow my own pine tree. So what I did was I cut off a little branch off of a beautiful pine tree. And I'm trying to see if I can get it to grow roots. Is it working? Probably not, but it hasn't died. Look, it still has green leaves. I would say 90% of the leaves are green. So maybe, just maybe, my plan will work. I hope it does. I want the little branch to grow roots and then I want to plant it in actual soil. That way, I can say, I made a pine tree. I'm gonna get the neck. Ugh, it's gonna be so sticky. I'm washing my hair today, so I'm not that scared either. Oh, you know what else I want to get? Oh my god, let me show you. So I got a piercing here, right? Did I get this part? See, I didn't even get this part of my face yet. I'm all over the place with this. I get easily just, oh my god, see? I get easily distracted. Here we go, okay. Come on. Okay, do I get here? Did I get here? Did I get the nose? Oh my god, kill the germs on my nose. I am 32 years old, and for the life of me, I don't know what I have to do to not get blackheads anymore. It's like, they're little and they're like, I'm like, go away. Like, I squeeze them out. I wash my face every day. I exfoliate 2 times a week. And it's like, they just keep on appearing. They're like, I'm here and I'm never leaving. I'm going to remind you, you're a teenager in an adult's body. Here we go. Okay, now should I go for the neck? Yes. Okay. Oh my god, look. It's almost done. Almost done. You can see texture there, so I'm glad I'm getting the texture. I'm not glad I'm getting it on my neck, but I'm glad it's not going directly in my face. Oh, I was talking about my ears. So I got piercings, right? And I got a piercing here, and I got a piercing here. The piercing on this side, I'm not sure if you can, do I have, yeah, I do have honey here. It's wanting to start a little keloid. I just sleep on that side of my face. So let me just, maybe it'll help the piercing scar, which it should. I mean, I've had this piercing for probably since last year, since 2020. And I don't know why I keep on sleeping on it occasionally. I'm just taking this off, this is ridiculous. I occasionally keep sleeping on it, and the next morning, it's like, I'm a keloid and I want to take over your piercing. I don't get it. Okay, yeah, wait. Okay, so let me just finish this honey. Let me finish it, because I want to throw. Maybe I shouldn't even throw the bottle away. I'm going to try to clean it and use it for something else. I need to figure out what though. There we go. Okay, I feel quite satisfied, and now I'm going to wipe my finger and wipe under my nail, because you know dirt does get in between your nails. And I'm going to hydrate my hair. I'm going to use this week not coconut oil, but I'm going to use almond oil. Oh my god, look at how long my hair is, you guys. I can't wait to get it cut. But I'm gonna wait until June. Just take a look at this. Where is it? It's right over here. I look insane, probably. I can't see myself. Oh well, it is what it is. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the almond oil. I don't have an exact amount. Oh god, I'm making a mess. Just like my life, a mess. And I'm going to, here we go. Got the excess off, now I'm gonna put it in 2. And I'm gonna start massaging it from the bottom up. Now I don't do the roots of my hair just because my hair is super greasy. I know it looks like a mess, but I promise it does work. I promise your hair will feel absolutely fabulous. After you wipe the honey off, will also feel and look absolutely fabulous. I don't drink sodas, but I do indulge in my hummus because it's the best drink ever. Aside from jarritos, but honestly, I only drink, no, I don't want to say only. Most of the jarritos I drink throughout the year are when I'm in Mexico and I'm eating birria or taquitos. Yeah, that's the only way to go. And it has to be jarrito de tamarindo or jarrito de mandarina. Otherwise, I don't like jarrito de piña, I don't like jarrito de fresa, I don't like jarrito de naranja. Or maybe I do like jarrito de naranja. No, I don't like jarrito de naranja. I only like mandarina and tamarindo. Yeah, those are the jarritos for me. And there's a green one, but I haven't tasted the green one. I don't even know the flavor of the green one. Oh my god, it's so good. It's so good. These are almost $2 at Aldi. They're like $1.36 or $1.40. I don't know if that's expensive or not, but it is an important product. I'm going to try to save this for tomorrow just because it's going to be 8 o'clock and I've only had 1 liter of water. I need to at least finish 2 liters of water. I need to make myself drink water. Do you hear that? I also do the laundry on Sunday. I mean, Sundays are my busy day, as I said. I do like to leave the oil and the honey on for about an hour and a half. I mean, they're not toxic. So I'm going to wrap my hair in a little bun. And after an hour, maybe an hour and a half, I'm going to take a shower, take it all off, and be as good as new. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great beginning of your week. Stay positive, you guys. If you have a goal, do your best to try to achieve it. Remember, it's not a failure if you don't achieve what you intended. It's only a failure if you don't try at all. Thank you very much. Besitos, cuídense. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and let me know, what do you do to prepare for the week? Do you meal prep? Do you do your laundry? Or maybe you don't like to do everything on Sunday. Maybe you just like to split your chores up in each weekday. I really have to get to the laundry, guys. Besitos, se cuidan. Bye.